Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Okay, I'm Winda Prastika from English Education Department of Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Today, I will present my paper that is Improving Listening Skill Track Say Game. Okay, today I will explain 3 points from the paper. The first is introduction, the second is discussion, and the last is conclusion. Okay, the first is introduction. According to Yagang 2011, it is said that understanding spoken text is more difficult than understanding written text because spoken texts are received in a short time, so that the content of the message conveyed is received or interpreted differently by listener. Then it is lost from hearing, while written text can be read over and over again, repeat according to the reader wishes. Okay, let we move the next point. The next point is discussion. According to Asrori 2008, the game is a very important part of human life. Games are not always recreation, so education. Track game, the acquisition of information and change in student behavior can occur naturally without pressure from outsider. From this, the teacher applies vocabulary learning technique in the teaching and learning process by using say game to increase and remind vocabulary and improve student listening skill. By applying say game to each listening learning material, student can improve listening skill because student demonstrate or to do it individually without listening to the audio. That is playing but listening to what their classmates say. In this case, very high concentration is needed to chapter what the meaning is said by his friend. The say game that will be applied are chain whisper game. According to Suprawoto, it explained that the chain whisper game is a game of conveying information by whispering from one student to another quickly and carefully. The first player receives information from the teacher, then convey it to the second player and so on. That the last player then convey to the teacher again or write the information on the blackboard. The purpose of whispering chain is to active student in learning and also improve student learning outcome. In addition, students are required to be able to understand the information whispered by their friend carefully, quickly, and precisely. Okay, let we continue the last point. The last point is conclusion. By applying say game to every listen, it can improve student listening skill. So word game activity not only make the classroom atmosphere fun, but also have other benefit for students who have difficulty listening. And the suggestion from the writer is that the teacher is expected to be more and more varied in using learning methods so that the students are more enthusiastic and active in learning. For students, they should always pay attention to the lesson delivery by the teacher carefully and increase their learning motivation so that the learning outcome active achieved are better. Okay, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention and see you the next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.